Before we start cooking, I want you to wash your rice. Wash your brown rice. Wash it. It's been sitting in the bag. It's dirty. Wash it before you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ressy. On today's video, I am going to be showing you how I use my pyrex glass pot to cook my brown rice on the stove. I've already reviewed this pyrex pot. If you want to watch the video on when I reviewed this pyrex pot and how good I love them, please go ahead and click the link up there. All right, so we are going to put the glass pot on the stove. You can use any pot of your choice, okay, to make this quick brown rice. And then we are going to add 6 cups of water. Okay, I added 3 cups of water because the glass cup measurements I'm using can only measure up to like 3 cups. So then I added another 3 cups of water, which totaled it up to 6 cups. Okay, so if you're boiling 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. If you're boiling 2 cups of rice, you use 4 cups of water. If you're boiling 3 cups of rice, you use 6 cups of water. Then go ahead and turn your stove up to medium heat, okay, and then cover the pot and let the water bring up to a boil. You want the water to boil before you start cooking the rice. So cover the pot and let the water come up to a boil. Go ahead and wash your rice while you're waiting, and once the water starts to boil, go ahead and open up the cover of the pot and then add a drop of oil of your choice. I am using olive oil here. The reason is because the oil will help to keep the rice moist so that it's not smushy, it's moist, okay? Then go ahead and add your washed brown rice. Please wash your rice. Wash your rice because those rice have been sitting in a bag for God knows how many years and you don't know. So you need to rinse your rice so that the water is clear before you can even add it and start boiling it. All right, so add your 6 cups of rice, and once you're done adding it, go ahead and cover your pot and then allow the rice to slowly steam on the medium to low heat, okay? Once it's done steaming, it usually takes about 20 minutes or so. So you have to allow the whole water to dry off. Usually I will check it in 20 minutes and then start to turn it and also check the bottom to make sure that it's not burning. And you can see that this glass pyrex pot does not burn when you cook on low to medium heat. That is very important. If you're cooking on high heat using the glass pot, your stuff is going to burn, okay? Then go ahead and turn off your stove once the water is dried up at the bottom, and then cover your rice and you are all done. Thanks for watching.